A startling revelation has surfaced. Google's newest Android update addresses a staggering 84 security flaws, underscoring just how vulnerable our devices can be without regular updates. This might leave you wondering how many hidden risks your phone could be harboring right now. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that despite these patches, the frequency and severity of these vulnerabilities raise serious questions about the overall security design of Android. Since 2005, Lifehacker has stood as a trusted companion for tech lovers and everyday users alike, delivering straightforward technology support and actionable science-backed advice to improve daily living. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned user, our goal remains to make complex topics simple and relevant to your life. Curious who's behind these insights? Our dedicated team of experts pours their knowledge into every article we publish, ensuring you get reliable guidance you can trust. Plus, for those who want to stay ahead of the curve, we offer newsletters packed with the latest tips and updates. A quick note on our credentials. Lifehacker is a federally registered trademark owned by Ziff Davis, LLC, a recognized leader in digital media since 2001. We want to be clear that while we sometimes show third-party brand names or trademarks, that's not a sign these companies officially endorse our content. Also, when you click on affiliate links and make purchases, it helps support us through commissions, but never at your expense. Now, this update fixing dozens of Android vulnerabilities certainly feels reassuring. But here's the part most people miss. Does patching so many weaknesses just reveal a deeper, ongoing struggle to keep our devices truly secure? Is it enough to simply react to threats, or should there be a more proactive, fundamental rethink of mobile security? We're curious about your take. Do you feel safe with your current Android security posture? Or has this update given you more reason to worry? Join the conversation and let us know your thoughts.